G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. It's been exactly 1 week since I've been open. This brand new car wash, 6 bays in Fontana, California, completely remodeled. And you know what that means. Whenever I open a car wash, the first week, we hold a little competition, we have some fun. So I'm gonna count how much it made, and you guys are gonna comment in the comments below how much you think it made. And whoever is the closest, I'm gonna send 50 bucks to. Again, it's nothing crazy, but it's a little fun, and the winner's gonna make some money. So last video was when I first got this car wash, pre-renovation. I think there was 1 or 2 bays working, and I wanted to have that little fun game. So I held it, it made like 400 bucks with 1 bay open or 2 bays open. And I sent the winner 50 bucks. He was like he was 50 cents off. So it was like $365 or whatever, I forget it was, but I'm gonna do the exact same thing right now. I'm gonna count, it's been exactly 1 week like I said, but I'll give you a rundown on what the week was like to give you guys a better understanding on how much you think it made. Okay, so a little rundown. Last Thursday, I think the first 2 or 3 days we had nice sunny weather and it was kind of busy. Little clue at one point, we had all bays full on the second day of opening. Saturday, Sunday, the 2 following days, actually Monday, Tuesday, the 4 following days, it rained on the weekend, pretty quiet. Monday, Tuesday, pretty quiet, cloudy, overcast, a little chilly. So it wasn't the craziest, busiest first week due to the weather. So there's the little clue for you there. Again, people are still understanding in the area that this is open. It was closed for 2 months, so maybe customers went elsewhere, so I have to drag them back in. There's another clue for you there. So was it busy? Was it quiet? Did I make 300 bucks? Did I make $2,000? So another clue, the very first car wash I opened, not the very first one, but the first one on my own, my Main Street car wash, the first week of opening, it did about 700 bucks. My Barstow car wash, the first week of opening, did about 2,200 bucks, which is still one of its best weeks, which doesn't make any logical sense, but I'll take it. And then, what was it? So yeah, we have 700 bucks, 2,200 bucks. What do you think this car wash has done? We're gonna count and find out. I'm obviously not gonna give how much it made in this video. I'm gonna give it in the next video. So I'm gonna give you a deadline, a date when you have to comment by, and then I'm gonna post the results in the following video, which you're gonna have to check out to see if you are the winner. So let's go ahead, let's go collect the tokens, let's go to the vacuums, let's go to the bays, collect all the coins, see what we have, and obviously the cash from the bays. So we're gonna count it all up, see how much I made. So after getting through Fort Knox of my locks, I finally got in. Oh, let's have a little peekaboo. Tokens and quarters. This is bay 1 and 2. And that's for the week. Nice and dry, that's good. Here we got bay 3 and 4. I feel like bay 2 and 3 are the busiest bays. Okay, probably similar amount it appears to be. And here we have bay 5 and 6, in my opinion will be the least used because it's the most furthest bays away. Oh, what's that? Something, there's a bee and a part of our tool. So now I'm gonna head over to the vacuums. I have 4 vacuums, you can see up the back there, see how they did. Now again, I'm $2 here, 5 minutes, tokens, quarters. Oh my goodness, petty. Okay. Let's try again. It's better. So there we have it, all 6 bays cash, all 6 bays coin, all 4 vacuums coin. Let's count it up, see what we got. Put your comments below how much you think it made for the first quiet, cold, rainy week. Oh, and here's a little clue. This is cash from the bays, so that's from the bays. Haven't got it from there yet. No peeking. All right, let's do this. These tokens are much smaller than my other ones because I want to avoid getting all the Chuck E. Cheese and all the other 0.984 tokens that aren't mine. So these ones are small and rare, so I shouldn't get any other outside tokens coming in, which would be nice. But now I gotta figure out what setting to put it on for my coin counting machine. Okay, we're gonna do this back to front because usually my other car washes, I count the tokens first and it spits the quarters out. But because these are smaller, I'm gonna count the quarters first and then the tokens after. So let's get to it. Let's reset that. Okay, ready to rock and roll. Not quite. Well, this new setting doesn't work too well. I'm sure there's a better one, but I don't want to spend the time figuring it out right now. But I think it's a good time to end the count because I don't want to give you guys any more clues on how much it's going to make. So you're gonna have to watch the next video. Comment below what you think this car wash made in just the first week. Crappy weather. Here's the coins and tokens. Take a guess. So the deadline for this competition is May 10th, which is this coming Saturday in 2-3 days or whatever. So make sure you comment straight away. Get your guess in before May 10th at 12 p.m. lunchtime. California time, so what's that? PSD, Pacific Standard Time, 12 o'clock, Saturday, the 10th of May. Get your guesses in before then. Any guesses in after then, it's not gonna count because I'm already gonna post the next video with the winning amount and you can just watch it and go back and comment. You guys understand it. So May 10th, 12 o'clock, PSD, and I will sell you $50. So there you have it, guys. Competition time has begun. A couple of days to get in your vending machines. What the hell? A couple of days to get in your guesses, and I will reveal on Saturday midday. Like I've repeated myself many times. Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. Short one, but a good one. But it's competition. See you all next time.